At Green Hill Farm, the days were peaceful and predictable.
One day, I won't just be a chicken. I'll be the boss chicken.
It all started when Farmer Joe overslept. Without him, the animals went wild.
Cluckers, the bravest hen, climbed onto the tractor. She had that look.
She squawked once, and the cows lined up like soldiers.
The pigs were doing push-ups.
She tried roll call with the sheep, but one kept sneaking off to nap.
Cluckers tried to team up with the farm dog, but he barked too much. She fired him.
She called a board meeting in the chicken coop. They discussed, nest upgrades and snack times.
Cluckers drove the tractor backwards into a haystack. It was majestic. New rule: every animal wears a hat on Fridays.
2 p.m. was declared mud bath time. The pigs loved it. The ducks? Not so much.
Too much stress. Cluckers lost a few feathers. She ordered a mandatory nap time for all.
The cows started whispering.